Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I tried out some finger coils, so I'll show you how I did that. This style took absolutely forever. It was like 2.5 to 3 hours, but I'm hoping it came out really pretty. I just, always throw my bonnet on before I show you guys the actual results so I can have a real reaction. So, my arms were hurting, my neck was hurting, it was just not fun, but let's see if it was all worth it. If it's a frizzy mess, I'm gonna be very upset. Okay. Oh, it's super cute. I really like it. Very, very cute. They're so shiny. Yeah, I use my awesome Camille Rose Naturals products. They always give me such great results when I do anything. Wash and go, twist out, braid out. Well, I don't like braid outs, but anyway, yeah, this finger coil set is so pretty. Like, so cute. Purple poppin'. And I did it really small sections, so that's probably why it took forever. But I didn't want to do much separating because separating for me typically causes an extreme amount of frizz, and I'm not here for that. So I think this is cute. It'll last, I think it'll last all week. It's got a nice hold. Used curl maker. And yeah, what do you guys think of my results? Do you like? Would you attempt this crazy style? I only do this like, I haven't done this style in years because A, my hair's been short forever, and then B, it just takes so long. Like, I literally had an extra day off of work. That's the only reason why I attempted to try this. I'm just glad it came out really cute. It's so shiny, healthy looking. Put it in a ponytail if I wanted to. Half up, half down action. I can do a whole bunch of stuff with this. So, yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!